Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download as PDF here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Downloading your designs as a PDF in Canva is a straightforward process that has several advantages, especially for specific uses and purposes. Once you are logged into your account, just go to the design that you wanted to download as PDF. Or if you haven't already, just click on the Create a Design, and from there, I'm going to open the specific file in the Upload section. I'm going to click on it. Now, this image right here, I wanted the entire design to be downloaded as PDF. Basically, all you have to do is go to the upper right corner. There's going to be an option that says Share. I want you to click on the download option. And on the file type, there's going to be an option that says PDF standard, which is best for documents and emailing, or PDF print, best for printing. So these are the options. All right. If you click the PDF standard, what will happen is you have the option to flatten PDF. You can also include notes if you wanted. And of course, you can save the download settings. If you click that, click on download, wait for it, and the file has been saved. Again, if you want to download another version of the PDF, which is going to be the PDF for print, you see, you can also add in the crop marks and bleed, flatten PDF, include notes. And now you have two options. You can use the RGB, which is best for digital use, and of course the CMYK, which is best for professional printing. All right, click on that, and of course you can click on download. After doing that, all you have to do is, if you wanted to save the PDF file in your cloud or storage device, go to the See All, and of course you can use the Google Drive, use the Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and the box as well, because PDFs can be compressed to reduce file size without significant loss of quality, making it easier to share via email, like this one right here. If you wanted to use the email, you can do that as well here. All right. PDFs provide a more polished and professional appearance for presentations and documents, especially during business contexts or when pitching ideas. Using PDFs for your designs in Canva can greatly enhance the usability and presentation, making them suitable for a variety of professional and personal purposes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.